2025 is here, and it's time to take control of your financial future. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to level up your money game, I've got something incredible for you. The 28-Day Wealth Building Challenge. This challenge is completely free and designed to help you set and achieve your financial goals, build savings and reduce debt, discover proven strategies for creating passive income, and develop habits that will help you create lasting wealth. The best part, it's simple, actionable, and designed to fit into your busy life. Imagine having a clear, step-by-step plan that you can follow without feeling overwhelmed. Each task is crafted to be manageable, ensuring you can easily integrate it into your daily routine. Every day you'll complete a quick task that moves you one step closer to financial freedom. These tasks are not just about saving money, but also about making smarter financial decisions and building habits that last a lifetime. And by the end of 28 days, you'll have a solid foundation for wealth building. You'll feel more confident in your financial decisions, and you'll see tangible progress that motivates you to keep going. This journey is about creating lasting change and achieving the financial freedom you've always dreamed of. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take control of your financial destiny. Download the 28-Day Wealth Building Challenge Guide right now. This comprehensive guide is designed to help you build a solid financial foundation and start transforming your financial future. Imagine having a clear plan and actionable steps to achieve your financial goals. The guide is packed with lessons, insights from financial experts, templates, and examples to help you understand and manage your finances better. To make 2025 your best year yet, picture yourself celebrating financial milestones and seeing real growth. Super download for free. Link in description. Don't miss out on this opportunity to change your financial future. Don't let another year pass you by without progress. Reflect on your goals and dreams. Think about where you want to be this time next year. Imagine the possibilities if you start taking small steps today. Start today, take action, and make 2025 the year you finally take control of your finances. It's not just about saving money, but about creating a future where you feel secure and empowered. Every decision you make now can lead to a brighter tomorrow. Hit the link below to download your free guide and join the challenge now. Let's make it happen. Together, we can achieve more than we ever thought possible. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Don't wait, take the first step today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to IBF channel.